Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify server error. To know how to fix or how to solve your Spotify server error, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can make or give you a lot of errors and problems. And then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.